Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to arrange a centerpiece. We got some supplies. You can get them at your local flower shop, or you can get them at a craft store, or even Amazon. We have a terracotta pot, a centerpiece design bowl, some Oasis, which is a floral foam. So first you have to soak that in water. And we do also have some tape to tape it into the centerpiece. So for this pot, I am going to cut the foam in half. And you can just use a butter knife, anything you have at home that can cut. And then you stick the foam into the dish. And then you take your tape, just to tape it across so that it doesn't move around on you when you start sticking your flowers in. And I just like to tape around the whole bowl. And the tape comes in green or in white. I happen to have some white tape at home, but I wasn't worried about that since no one will see it once I put this inside of the terracotta pot. So now we're ready to make the arrangement. I have some basic leatherleaf greens, just so we can cover all the foam and all of that. And next to me I have a box that I throw all my stems in so that we don't make a huge mess. I also put a towel down on my table so that it doesn't get all soaked and ruined because, well, Oasis is wet, flowers are dirty. That's why I'm wearing gloves too, because the stems can turn your hands green. And then once I have everything all greened up, I will start putting some of the flowers in. For today's arrangement, I chose to do a fall theme since we're in that season right now. So I have some sunflowers, and I have some mums, and I also have some carnations. I know a lot of people don't love carnations. They think of it as the cheap flower, but in reality, they come in so many different colors and they can add so much to an arrangement. Okay, so we are all greened up. This is the spider mum, and then I just cut it to a length I think that will go well with the pot. And you can use cutters, scissors, you can even break it off with your hand. Now the sunflower has a thicker stem, so you definitely need cutters or scissors. And then you cut that. And what I'm doing here is doing a sunflower on each side and a mum on each side, just for symmetry. And then today I chose two different colors of carnations. I chose orange and maroon. And again, I will do the same thing where I put one opposite the other. Now we'll do the maroon ones. And we just push them into the foam. And you have to make sure that they are in the foam because that is their only water source. And then next I have some miniature carnations. And those I'll just dot throughout the arrangement wherever I think it'll look good, just to fill it out a little more because the other flowers were more my focal flowers. And with the miniature carnations, I also chose two colors, one orange and one a pale yellow. And of course you can mix it up however you like. And the flowers you can again either go to your local flower shop, get them there. You can go to your local grocery store, Sam's Club, any of those, and just take a look around. See what catches your eye, see what looks the most fresh. And with this, I'm just using 2 stems of each color miniature carnation. And then I'm also going to put some leaves in the arrangement. And since we are in the fall season now, all I did was give my kids a basket and ask them to go out in the backyard to fill it up. Because that's one good way of saving money. Use what you have in your yard. And then for the leaves, all I did was take one of the stems from the flowers I already cut off, and then I took a few leaves, put them near the stem, took some corsage tape, or you could use regular tape as well, whichever is handy. The corsage tape you can again buy at a local flower shop, craft store, Amazon. And then I tape it. Then I just stick that stem into the arrangement. And I did a few beforehand just so that they're ready. And I think for this arrangement I'll probably do about 4, but feel free to do fewer, more, whatever you like, because it's your creation. This just shows you a few tips on how to do it. And then last, I have some other mums. And these are smaller. There's a few heads on each stem, so I just break them off and dot them throughout the arrangement. Wherever I see holes, wherever I think it looks best. I got a few different types just to give it variety. And again, with these you can get them at the grocery store. You can probably even do a mixed bouquet from the grocery store and then just take it and break it apart and spread it throughout. And again with this, just dotting it around, seeing what I like, and turning my container around to see if I've missed any spots, if there are any holes. And then you can spread your leaves out however you see fit. And of course you can get other things to put in it. You can get wheat or little pumpkins or anything, that'll give it that fall look. But here you go. There's your fall arrangement that you can create at home. Or if you're throwing a shower or a birthday party, you can make a few of them, put them on the tables, and it doesn't even take that long. That's it.